Hey guys, it's Eureka. Welcome back to my channel. So from the title, you already know it's going to be my 11-month lock update. Okay. So it's been 11 months. Oh my gosh, like I really didn't think that it would last this long, but it did, and I'm here for it. So it's officially 11 months today. Exactly, today's 11 months, which means next month, July 1st, is going to be my 1-year lock anniversary. And I'm like, low-key can't even wait. But this is how my locks are looking right now. So how my hair is looking right now is a result of I did a lock twist for my last video. I did the lock twist and the lock twist take down. So both of those should be up before this video is up. So definitely check those out if you want to see how I got my hair like this. With 11 months, what have I noticed? What I did notice with my hair actually from the last video, I was saying that, you know, it was just still shrinkage and things like that, right? So this time around, I've been taking pictures and just documenting, and I can see where it's growing. So like, yes, from my roots, I see the growth, but I never really saw the growth like in terms of, you know, where the hair is, be it shoulder or whatever. But for the past few styles that I did notice that, okay, my hair is definitely like, you know, past my shoulders. Like it's, you know, it's the beginning of the back. It's not anywhere down there, but it's definitely past the shoulders. So I'm definitely noticing that. I wasn't noticing that before. Maybe I wasn't paying attention, but for sure for now, I definitely see, oh, okay, so the hair is growing. Also, what I've been doing is that I've been trying to do more styles with my locks as opposed to protective styling with them. So I was doing faux locks and wigs and things like that. I've just been taking a break from that. I've been trying just to do more with my locks just to see how they would look, because I am like very much liking how they're looking in terms of the maturity. Like they look legit, okay? Like you can't tell me anything anymore, because now there's no doubt that I have locks. You can clearly tell that that's what's going on here. So I've been trying to just do more with them just to see, you know, what I can do. I did some barrel locks, I think it's called. I'm going to link that video. And then I also did a lock twist. I'm going to link that as well. And next I'm going to try to do a braid out and perm rods or flexi rods, a different type of curl, just to see, you know, just to see what I could do with it. Another thing is that the ends of my hair, I had the curly tips, those are going away. Slowly but surely they're going away, because I did notice that some of my hair is not there anymore. It's mostly in the front now. So that's a sign that my locks are definitely maturing and they're on the right path, and I'm here for it. From all my previous lock updates, I really do struggle with maintaining oiling my scalp and, you know, things like that. So for the past month, I've also I've been trying to be on top of that and just do that a lot more. And, you know, I'm not gonna lie, I see a difference. I really do, but I'm also not gonna lie and say that I'm gonna keep doing it, because I'm just in a groove right now, because I'm just so hyped about my 1 year coming up. I hope that I can keep it up, but realistically, I'm just not gonna hold my breath, okay? Because but yeah, that's pretty much it. I've just been trying to do more with my hair just to see what I can do with it and things like that. I'm noticing that it is growing and I can see the length visually now, as opposed to just when I would get my hair wet. Also, the ends, like I mentioned, the ends are definitely like, I'm losing the little curly tips that I had before. I will also say that while I've been trying to do more with my hair, I've also been adding less and less things in my hair. So I usually I used to spray my hair with a lock tonic or a leave-in conditioner, like a spray leave-in conditioner. I kind of like stopped doing that because I'm like, that's kind of like buildup. So if I do have to spray, I just spray just water, just straight water. That's it. Because I don't want to put too much stuff because it's locked. Like, you know what I mean? But yeah, that is pretty much it for 11 months. There's really not much. It's just I've just been trying to just do more with my hair and just trusting the process, patience, and if you all I can say, if you're thinking about getting locks, do it. But trust the process, because it's going to do whatever it wants to do, and you just have to let it do what it wants to do and just trust the process. Because I had to learn that, and now at 11 months I'm like, oh my goodness, I love it and I cannot wait. However, when I was at my 3 months, 3 months, I was like, what are you doing? Like, what is going on? It's a no for me. So I just had to be like, you know what, just stick with it and just see what's going on. And that's what I did. And honestly, I don't regret it. And I'm ready for next month. I'm ready for my 1 year just to see, how my hair is gonna look. I'm ready for my 3 years. I'm ready for it all, because I'm honestly genuinely loving my hair and I have no regrets. So that is pretty much it for this video. It was just a quick little update on 11 months and what I've been doing with my hair and how it's looking, what's going on. I'll definitely keep you guys updated on anything else that I'm going to be doing with my hair, as always. But that is pretty much it for today. So let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.